what is pyrexia. Second है describe the different types of fever. Then third है explain the nursing responsibility of nurse regarding care to the patient with hyperpyrexia. Then ये 5 marks question, 5 marks के अकॉर्डिंग इसका वेटेज रहता है पायरेक्सिया का. एंड ये मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है फ्रॉम वाइटल साइंस चैप्टर. Then first part, pyrexia. Pyrexia or fever is defined as a rise in body temperature above 99 degrees Fahrenheit or 37.2 degrees Celsius. It is not a disease, but it is a sign. ये कोई बीमारी नहीं है, ये क्या है? साइन है. It is a protective function of body because the rise in temperature prevent the growth of organisms that causes disease. Then types of fever. Onset or invasion. It is the period when body temperature is rising. It may be sudden or gradual. Then second है fascium. Then stadium. It is the period when the body temperature has reached its maximum level. Then third है defervescence or decline. It is a simple word याद करिए, जैसे defervescence थोड़ा टफ है. Then decline word is simple. It is the period when the elevated temperature is returning to normal. The fever may suddenly or gradually. Then fourth है crisis. It is sudden return to normal temperature from a very high temperature within a few hours or days. Then lysis. Fifth one, lysis. The temperature is fall in a zigzag manner for 2 or 3 days or a week before reaching normal, during which time the other symptoms also gradually disappear. Constant fever or continuous fever. It is one which the temperature varies not more than 2 degrees between morning or evening, and it does not reach normal for a period of a days or week. Then remittent fever. It is characterized by variation of more than 2 degrees between morning and evening but does not reach normal. Then 8. Intermittent fever. The temperature rises from normal or subnormal to high fever back at regular interval. Then inverse. Highest range of temperature recording into each morning hour and lowest in the evening. Then hectic or swinging fever. When the difference between the high and low point of great fever is called hectic fever. Then rigor fever. Then 12th one, low pyrexia. Temperature to 99 to 100 degree Fahrenheit. Then moderate pyrexia. Then 14th है high pyrexia. Then 15th है subnormal temperature. Hyperthermia and hypothermia. Then C part है nursing responsibilities in 13 point. Thank you.